Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy A73 5G mobile phone. I will be showing you some of the good features for this phone and let's see how it looks inside, and if you like my video please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's see how it looks from inside. So this is the phone and Samsung Care, and this is the pin to remove the SIM card and other thing, and this is the charging cable. So this is pretty much inside the box. So it doesn't come with the AC power adapter and earphones, so only comes with the charging cable which you need to charge through the USB from your laptop, anything, or either you have to buy that separately. And also most of the people are using wireless earpods, so they don't provide now any earphones. So this phone has 108 megapixel wide camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel micro camera, and on the front camera it is 32 megapixel for selfies. So the phone has 128 GB capacity with the 6 GB of RAM and 5000 mAh battery with the face recognition and fingerprint security features. It comes with the 2 years warranty, and the price in Australia is $745, and 6.7 inches bright screen with the 5G mobile. It's a very good phone. And the another cool feature is that it has a object eraser feature. Like if you are taking any picture and there is something in the picture, you can erase that. So that's again a very cool feature.